I just saw a video. Kinikilig ang person. So this video is about tutorial. I just saw this one. Oh, I forgot my intro. Intro tayo. Hi J Squad, it's me Justin and welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be about tutorial because I just saw a video and they're speaking Tagalog.
Yes.
So yeah, this video is about tutorial and I think I just reacted to them like weeks or months ago, I'm not sure. But I'm really excited to do this one. So before this video starts, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. It is greatly appreciated if you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thank you for subscribing everyone. So you can tell I'm excited. So let's just start the video in 3, 2, 1.
Po, I go see
Hello
Twitter.
po. Thank you.
Hello po. I go see him. Po.
Alam mo, hindi talaga makaka-correct yung Filipinos pag nag-introduce yung isang artist kasi lahat kami na it melts our hearts listening to you and looking at you speaking in our language. So we appreciate that so much. Ganun lang yun. Kaya walang tahimik. In-enjoy namin yung moment. Kailangan marinig yung boses ng clear and loud. So yeah. Hindi naman siguro ganun naburigan ako pero kasi feeling ko ako hindi din ako makaka-react kasi busy ako manood.
หากเธอเคยรักใครเธอก็คงเข้าใจเรื่องราวเหล่านี้เข้าใจเธอแบบนั้นคือความรักที่ให้เธอจากฉันความรู้สึกรักคือหัวใจที่เราสัมผัสรักคือเรื่องราวที่
If you could switch bodies for one day with any of your co-actors in Cutie Pie, who would that be and why?
ถ้าสลับได้ในวันก็อยากเป็นยิมครับอยากเล่นเป็นซินเสมอครับเพราะว่าเราอยากรู้ว่าในใจเขาคิดอะไรอยู่ว่าเขาจะคิดอะไรกับเราหรือเปล่าคิดอะไรกับเนื้อหรือเปล่าเราก็อยากรู้ข้างในของเขาครับ
I would like to be Yim who perform for Sin Semer because I would like to know his heart. How does he think about me?
May secret agenda person.
เธอจะเป็นคนนั้นที่ฉันวาดไว้ไม่เคยสักนิดที่ถูกใจไม่ได้ตรงกับใจเธอจะโกรธไหมอยู่กับฉันทุกเวลาที่ไม่มีใคร
Performance nila.
Yes.
He answers for him. Naingitak sa mga babae na
The lifestyle is also the same. We know we have the same lifestyle, the sport, the movie, music, those kind of things also.
Alam ko yung saya nila ate sa likod ng camera. Nainggit ako. Oh. 100%. You know how faithful they are.
There was a time where I relied on him the most. Yes or no?
Yes. Every time.
Oh, if given a chance, I could play being your well. Yes or no?
No.
Why?
เพราะมีคนเล่นดีกว่า
Oh, because you have somebody who's already playing great.
Hindi hinugot mo nga first.
So they really complement each other well, isn't it?
เป็นคนที่เหมาะสมแล้ว
Oh, he said that it's him who's already perfect for the role.
He doesn't need anyone else.
Talk to him about everything and anything, and I enjoy talking with him. Yes or no?
ถึงแม้จะเคยขึ้นห้องไม่กี่ครั้งแต่ว่าเรา
They're getting exposed. Oh.
We're loving it. Maganda yan, you're feeding your fans dilulunis.
It's like it doesn't matter, like we go to a Christmas or not much.
Oh my gosh. It's a normal thing.
Alright, no cheating again. Let's do it, okay? Okay,
Oh, ngayon nakita ko rin silang sumuro. I got nervous.
Okay, music stop. Music!
Hindi ko kung narinig actually na yung mga elementary schools.
Guys!
You need to sit on that paper in order for you to win.
Hey, music!
Oh, they're getting ready. Yung translator, wala pa ba doon? Makabukas yung translator sa kanila section.
จะเดินฉันจะเดินต่อ ถึงแม้ไม่รู้หนทางจะไกลสักเพียงไหน
Thank you for watching, everyone.